Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix test type unlimited save failed error. So guys, fixing this error is very simple and easy, so please make sure to watch this entire video to fix this problem completely. Guys, if you have any kind of antivirus software like the antivirus, first you have to disable this because your Windows security or the antivirus is preventing your game from saving files. So first you have to disable your antivirus, and if you don't want to disable it, you have to allow your game through your antivirus to save files. And once you allow your game, then you have to just launch your game and check your problem is fixed or not. And if this does not fix your problem, then this may be your Windows security is blocking your game to save files. To fix this problem, just close the Steam and go to the Windows search and just type here the Windows security, and it will appear on the top. So just open up the Windows security, and guys, here just click on the virus and threat protection. These settings are same on Windows 11. Then just scroll down, you will see the ransomware protection. Click on the manage ransomware protection. Here you will see the control folder access. So just turn it off. This maybe was on your PC, so just turn it off. After that, just open up the Steam, go to your Steam library and just launch the game, and your problem will be definitely fixed by turning it off. And if your problem is still not fixed, then maybe the Windows Defender is blocking your game. So go to the Windows search and just type here the Windows Defender firewall, and this setting will show on the top. So just open it, and here you will see the allow an app or features. Just click on that. The in Windows 11 these settings are same, and then you will see the change option, change setting of, just click on that, then click on the allow another app, then here just click on the option of browse. And guys, here you just need to locate the game installation folder where your game is installed. Just open up the Steam, go to your Steam library, and on the left hand side just click on the game which is the test type. So I don't have the game, then just click on the gear icon, go to your game property, then click on the install file, then just click on the browse option. And guys, here you have to look for the any launcher of your game, any exe files. You have to just select the copy the path on the top and just open your Windows Defender firewall and just paste the path and just hit the enter. And now here you have to just select all the exe files or all the game icons, like where game launches or the all the launchers of the game or all icons of the game. And once you select it, then you have to add them one by one. So once you add them one by one, then you have to just select this, and once you select this, you have to find this from here, and then just make sure this private and public is checked. If these are unchecked, then just check this and just click on the OK. Then just close it from here, then just launch your game and your problem will be fixed definitely. If your problem is still not fixed, then you can simply restart your PC, and after the restart your problem will be definitely fixed. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.